my steak sandwich.
Rub it in.
Well, the sandwich was for me. Jan didn't want it, but I didn't mind giving her a piece. I forgot. As I'm eating it, I just got carried away. Well, I'm thinking that he's motoring just a little. Oh, that would be because there's no sail?
He has a wind direction. See the wind director?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, we don't have one here, right? But we are heading the right way.
Goes pretty fast. Yeah, it is low, huh? If once we get back past that point over there, then we'll get a little more wind. I think so. Where are we headed after that? I mean, we're talking close away.
Go around the lighthouse. Yeah. Make it the lighthouse, I think. All right, you got the green buoy. All right. I'll be back. I'm going downstairs. Take a nap.
Yeah? This one.
27 and a half, I think. Okay. All right, don't throw me in the water. Stand up next to Sue. Take a picture together. Is that okay? No?
Yeah, I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will.
Famous last words, right?
Okay, very cool.
Fish, and I'm like, oh my god, I would pay $100 to put a fish on
Look
one
at this. This is
thing.
perfect. Are you kidding me?
And so it's just kind of
Better than you.
You asked for it
Julie.
going any straighter. So they brought it home and they cooked it up. Right, so Tom, Ryan catches one first.
He caught one first, and I'm thinking, I'm thinking, oh, that's really cool. And then I saw Jordan's face, and I'm like,
Jordan caught one as Jordan was catching it. Erin's getting her second, but she just quietly throws it back.
She throws it back in. Then they caught it, so, you know, there was this little, whether they're going to keep it, what are they going to do with it? So they put it in this, like, bag. Then they started putting ice in it, and I'm like, there's no water in there. It's not going to last.
And now it's flapping.
And so then it's there, and everybody's like,
flapping? Now it's flapping.
he's like, oh no, it's dead. Everything, it's dead. And all of a sudden the bag goes, it's not dead.
You get a very, I'm giving you guys a very bumpy ride. It's all right.
Very relaxing. So then Bob just said they ate it, and he said it was really good.
Yeah, it was very good. I wish it was bigger, but it was like a 2-pound fish. I think maybe 1.5 to 2 pounds.
Now we do, yep.
This is really cool.
see, we're almost right at that point, right?
Next week I'll do a YouTube video for you guys.
Ready? Working.
Nice, Tom. Yeah. Good. I'm feeling some wind.
It said it